So today we're going to learn how to manage your passwords using the Active Directory. So why do we even need passwords? Well, I have 4 good reasons for you. First, it controls access to the computer. If another user can log in as you, they can break rules and you can get the blame. Second thing is it protects your privacy. If you're using email or going to some sites, you don't want the next student using the computer after you to be able to see what you've been doing. It also protects the equipment. The equipment will last longer because student users are blocked from administrative powers and can't mess up all the settings that slow the computers down. And it also grants access to storage. The district provides for you some storage where you can put your documents, but it's also attached to your username and password. So let's learn how to create a password. There's a little art to creating a good password. You would want to start with an alphanumeric mixture. It's letters and numbers all together, and that makes it a little harder for someone to guess what it is. So you also use 8 to 10 characters because that makes it even more difficult. And you want to pick something easy for you to remember, but maybe not other people to remember. So pick a word that you like and then add some numbers to it. For instance, you could take the word sand and add some numbers, or the word Omaha and add numbers in front of it, and those would be good, safe passwords. Another method that you could use is to take a word and change some of the letters into numbers. For instance, you could take the word baseball and change the L's into 1s, or cookbook. You could change the O's into 0s, and that would be a great safe password. Of course, please don't use the ones I've come up with. Make up your own. So I hope you've had a few minutes to think of a good password, because now we're going to try to log in. Your username is your ID number, and the password to start with is student1. And this is just for you to log in with the very first time. You should not keep using this as your password because it's not safe. Other people are using it also. So enter your new password and type it in very carefully. Now that you've got a password and it's into the system, something else that will help you be more safe is to create a profile. Go to pwreset.aps.edu. It's a self-service password management site for APS. When you get there, you're going to be asked to choose 2 questions and to create one of your own. Be sure to pick questions that would be easy for you to answer but difficult for other people to answer about you. And type them in very carefully. So open a browser now and type pwreset.aps.edu in the address line. And you'll see this website. Notice in the right-hand corner it says Create or Edit My Profile. That's where you want to click to make your own little profile. Then you'll be able to come back here and unlock yourself or change your password or whatever needs to be done because you've created your own profile. So I hope you will use the Active Directory now to compute safely. Thank you.